guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be replacing the cabin filter in my 2009 Nissan Altima. Alright guys, so the cabin air filter is located right under here. You see this tab right here? This is where your cabin air filter is. It's hidden right behind this thing. So all you really have to do is flick this up, pull this out, and this comes right out. And then your filter is right in here. So there should be a tab or something. Yep, there's a tab here to help guide your filter out. It might rip. It's a little bit difficult because the space here is really cramped, but you can see I pulled it out already a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead, use two hands and pull it out, and then I'll show you guys how it looks like and put it back. All right, so I've gotten it out a little bit right now. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. And you just keep tugging, and it's a little bit difficult because it's really stuck up here. But it's doable without removing the whole glove box and all. You just gotta really maneuver it out. All right, after a little bit of fighting, this thing is finally out. Yeah, pretty nasty. So take note of the airflow. This is supposed to point this way into the car, so that's how you would install the new one as well. Alright guys, here's the new filter. Just take note of the arrow right there. So that's pointing towards the car this way. So we have to install it in reverse order. I'm gonna need two hands for this. So I'm gonna put this in first, and then we'll get back to showing you how to replace this clip. All right, the filter is in now. It took a little bit of cramming it in there. It doesn't fit perfectly. You have to kind of get it in and scrunch it in there. So that's the one trick. Now we're gonna reinstall this door, and then we're done. All right guys, to reinstall the door, it's quite straightforward, but it is a little bit difficult because you gotta push this back end, so the top, in first, and then you slide it down and it'll clip in. So you have to actually reach up there and actually push on this part so that it clicks in, and then you could clip it in. So if you don't know that, you keep trying to slide it, it might not go in and it gets frustrating, but you have to really push this top part, slide down, and then clip it in. There you go guys, that's how you replace a cabin air filter in a 2009 Nissan Altima. It is actually a lot more difficult than most cars, but it's done now. Anyways, I hope this helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.